Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you Craftmas DIY number 8, 9, and 10. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in our Craftmas DIY number 8, we are going to create a picture board using this sticker and this cutting board from the Dollar Tree. And the sticker says, "And now these three remain, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of these is love." And all I'm doing is just Mod Podging that down, adding 4 beads, half beads to the corners of this piece, adding a back using the tumbling tower blocks, and that's going to complete this DIY. You just see that I did dry brush the front and back before adding the sticker. Now moving right along to Craftmas DIY number 9, we are going to create another picture board, and we are going to add the words joy to the front of this piece. And what you will see me do is add some Mod Podge to this cutting board. Again, this cutting board was purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am layering some of that vintage paper that I purchased from Temu back in the summer, and I am allowing it to dry while I paint over the word joy in this burnt umber paint. And while you watch me do this, self-explanatory, I am going to stop and want to welcome all of my new subscribers to my channel, and welcome back to my returning subscribers. I missed you guys. I ended up taking a mini trip to DC this weekend with my family, my kids, and my grandson, so we could do some Christmas shopping. And hey, I knew I owed you these DIYs, and I'm here for it. So as you can see, I am gluing down the word joy to the front of this piece, and I am using the small I want to say paper clip, it's not a paper clip, clothespin to the front, and adding 2 beads to the top, and adding a hanger using this jute twine from the Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, from Walmart. And then you'll see me add a piece of that burlap ribbon to the back just to give it a covering to make it more clean. And then our last DIY for the Craftmas DIY is number 10. And what I've done was taken this frying pan or saucepan that my kids just, with their no cooking selves, just took all the Teflon off of it. But you know, we are crafters and we keep everything. And so I decided to use this as another type of picture board or command center. And as I was doing this project, a lot of ideas started coming to my head, and so just keep watching. One thing I did learn was to make sure I wipe any pieces like this that's come out of the kitchen down really good using some alcohol, because the glue stick that I had used from the Dollar Tree, I can promise you I had it for a while and decided to use it tonight because I was running out of the long stick, and I used this, but never again. And so as you can see, I am just wrapping this jute rope from the Dollar Tree around the edge of this piece. And originally I was going to do a planter piece out of it, but I know you guys get tired of seeing those, and so I wasn't going to do that tonight, but I will do another one soon. So anyway, I am taking that jute rope and I am actually going around the entire handle with it. And you'll see that the rope that I had already wrapped around the saucepan itself started lifting, and this is where I said it would have behooved me to, one, let the paint dry, two, to wipe it down with alcohol prior to using the rope method. But nevertheless, I did get this completed, and this is a good time for me to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so. That way you won't miss out on any content and any updates, as YouTube will notify you when anything is uploaded to my channel. So I was going to go around this piece to give it extra coverage. As you can see here, it kept lifting, using the smaller jute twine so that it could rest on each other from the front and back, but then I decided against it, and so I ended up just using some thicker jute rope. Now this is the smaller one. This is not the fat chunky one. This is the other size that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And so I did add a layer to the front of this rope that was already there, and then a layer to the back of the rope. I hope that makes sense. Guys, did you have a great weekend? I pray that you did. Can you believe we have, what, about a week, another week or so, week and a half, and then it's Christmas? I'm just like, this year is flying by, but hey, I have a birthday coming up. And as you can see, I am just going around the edges and burning the frays off the jute rope. And then I'm just making sure that the back has a finished look because it wasn't finished drying. And while adding the rope, some of the paint was removed. And to keep it from scratching until I can protect it with some Mod Podge, I just put a cloth down. I created a bow, and while looking at this piece, I was going to add the 3 words joy, peace, and love, but then I decided against it. And I said, hey, well, I can create a little like basket holder, or just an enclosure, so that you can put mail on the inside of this, and just create a little storage unit for this piece, in addition to a picture hanger, or the here it goes again, guys, my mind, the clothespin, so that you could put a picture, or like if you have a note that you need to see, you can, like a grocery list, that way you can just have that sitting out, standing out in 3D form, so as your reminder. So this is more like a command center piece, and it is a hanging piece, as you can see. And all I'm doing is just simply using those half beads and just stretching the jute twine across all the way from middle to the end. And now I'm taking the word love, and I am painting it using that burnt umber paint. This is by Apple Barrel. And then you'll see me affix this to the front of the rope, the stretch rope, after I burn the frays off of it. And guys, here's the reveal. I think these turned out cute. They were very inexpensive. This piece cost me less than $3 to make it. And then here's the joy. And of course, I love this one because it is very rustic. And then here's the one that was the frying pan, or the saucepan. And as you can see, that's your girl. And then the word love. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed these DIYs. And if so, please make sure you leave a comment. And until the next Craftmas, We have 2 left. Bye, guys.